Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn to determine the number of images formed when we place an object between two inclined plane mirrors. For this, in the diagram you can see the plane mirrors M1 and M2 are placed at an angle theta and we have an object between them. Now to determine the number of images so formed, we'll use an expression k equals to 360 by theta. Okay, how this expression is used, let's see. Now generally there are two conditions for determining the number of images. First of all, let's see the case 1. Now if the expression k equals to 360 by theta gives an even number, that means if k is an even number, then the number of images n is equals to k minus 1. Okay, how does it work? Let's see by one example. If two plane mirrors are inclined at angle 60 degree, that means theta equals to 60 degree, then the value of k will be obtained 6. That means the number of images this time will be equal to k minus 1, that is 6 minus 1. So 5 images of that object will be formed due to this combination. Now this was the first case. Now let's see the second case. Now if the term k equals to 360 divided by theta is an odd number, then this time we need to consider the position of object also. Okay, now how we are going to consider the position of object? Let's see here. Here in the diagram you can see a straight line that passes from the point of intersection of these two plane mirror and also from the object. This line is dividing the angle theta into two angles, theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, the first condition of this case is that one, if theta 1 is equals to theta 2, then the object is said to be symmetrically placed. This theta 1 and this theta 2, if they are equal, then the object is placed symmetrically. This time the number of images n will be equal to k minus 1. Okay, now let's take an example of that k odd and symmetrical position of the object. If theta equals to 72 degree, you will get k equals to 360 divided by 72, that means 5. This is odd number, and if the object is placed symmetrically, that means theta 1 equals to theta 2, then the number of images will be equal to k minus 1, that is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. But another condition, that means this theta 1 and this theta 2, if they are not equal, if theta 1 is not equal to theta 2, then it is said to be the condition of asymmetrically placed object. The object is not in symmetrical position in this case now. So this time the number of images will be just equal to k. Now let's take by the numerical example. If this angle between the two plane mirrors is just similar like that previous condition, theta 72 degree, then k will be odd, that is 5. And if it is the condition of asymmetrical, if theta 1 is not equals to theta 2, then n is equals to just k, that means 5. 5 images will be formed in this case. Now let us take more examples. Now if the angle between two plane mirror is 90 degree, that means two plane mirrors are kept at right angle to each other. This is the case of right angle inclination. Okay, this time k is equals to 360 divided by 90 will give you 4. This is even. That means the number of image will be 4 minus 1. It is equals to 3. Okay, how these three images will be formed, or where these three images will be formed, let's see by one diagram. Suppose these are the two plane mirrors that are kept at 90 degree. Now if you keep one object here, then one image will be formed here, another image will be formed here, and the final third image will be formed at the junction of these two plane mirrors. Similarly, if we keep two plane mirrors parallel to each other like this, and if we keep one object between them somewhere, then how many images will be formed? Let's see. Here theta equals to 0 degree, that means k will be infinity and the number of image will be again infinity. That means infinite numbers of images will be formed when we keep an object between the two parallel plane mirrors. Okay, I hope after watching this video you are now clear to determine the number of images that is formed when we place an object between two inclined plane mirrors. If you like this, then do like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.